Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's morning right now. I look kind of rough, just got out of the shower, but I wanted to say happy Vlogmas. So I know people do Vlogmas differently, so people do it like, once a day, like, actually going every single day. I'm not gonna do that. I was gonna do like filming the entire week, but people have routines and stuff and I don't want it to get kind of like repetitive. So I'm doing like 3 or 4 times like every week. Janelle Selden was doing it and it just seemed a lot easier and more entertaining. So I'm gonna film like the most exciting few days in my week is basically what I'm saying. But yeah, I'm gonna start talking right now and get into the video. Hey guys, so I'm in the car right now and I'm getting ready to go to the Beverly Center. I did a thing and I got the new Prada Re-Edition bag. If you don't know about the Prada Re-Edition bag, I will totally make a separate video about that, but it's basically like a re-edition of old bags that they used to have, and they're like remaking them and like making them like, better, I guess. But it's like really limited edition and I wanted to get my hands on. They're not sold at any of the stores anymore, but you can order them. So I had mine ordered Sunday and I'm gonna go pick it up today, and I'm really excited to see my bag. It's the black one. I'll have to do like a little unboxing and like later on in this video or a separate video, but I'm very excited, so that's what we're doing. Back home now. I didn't film too much while I was at the Beverly Center just because it's kind of nice and I didn't want to pull out my camera. I did get a few clips, but I picked up my bag and I'm so excited. When I was in there, I called because usually they call you, I think, but I just called because I was too excited and I wanted to know if it was here yet, and it was. So I went to pick it up and the guy there told me I made a very good choice, so I'm glad about that because I'm so excited about it. I'm getting ready to go get dinner with David. We're gonna go to the Westfield Mall, and also I'm gonna get some pressed juice. They have like freezy kind of stuff, like frozen yogurt or something, and I'm really excited to try it. I have never tried it, but it looks so bomb and I really, really want it. So yeah, that's the mood tonight. So we're at this place called Medici, I think that's how you say it, and I got the Hawaiian pizza. Oh my gosh, it looks so good. I don't know if you can hear me over this music, but I'm very excited. Now we're on our way to Pressed Juice. I don't know what I'm looking at. Oh, the cameras are here. I'm not used to filming on my phone. So I got my freeze, and I got the chocolate freeze with almond butter drizzle and shredded coconut. I'm so excited. I will let you know how it is. That's good. It's like 51 in LA and I am freezing. I almost decided to leave my jacket in the car. Glad I did not do that. Hey guys, so I'm walking to Starbucks again. Got some work to do. Yesterday I didn't vlog that much because I didn't even go to the movie last night because stupid phone. Yeah, I had to put my phone back together because I didn't sync all my information and I lost all my content photo, but it's fine. So yeah, so I'm doing right now, and then I have a job interview. I'm not sure what else I'm doing today. It's pretty chill. It's raining right now, and I'm in this umbrella trying to cross the street. Oh! Okay, so going to Starbucks didn't work out because it was very crowded, obviously, because it's like pouring outside. So I'm back now, and I think I'm just gonna work at home for a little bit and then head out to my interview. Also, if you see me wearing like the same outfit like over and over again, it's because I'm obsessed. This is a top from RUMI. It's like my favorite store right now. It's pretty pricey, but the quality of the material and just the work, like the design is so cute. I'll have to show you in like a better like video, but this is like so cute and soft. It's like fleece inside, so it keeps me really warm, but also has like a sexy open back. I don't know why, I just wanted to show you all that. It's gonna be in my try on haul soon, but I just wanted to tell you now. Also, my recent Starbucks order is the iced caramel brulee latte. I loved this last year, and so I get it like all the time whenever the season comes along. And then I got the Everything Bagel Bites. These are like the bomb. They come with 2, and they're so good. They have cream cheese in the middle. I'm finally back home now. Norman is over there playing, and I did get some packages that I ordered on Black Friday, so I wanted to show you all what I got. I didn't go anywhere for Black Friday. I don't want to deal with all the lines and the crazy people, so I'm gonna show you what I ordered. The first package I got is from RUMI. They're like one of my, I think I talked about it in this vlog, but I absolutely love this brand, and they had a big sale and I saved like 60 bucks, so that's really good. Although they did have another sale on Cyber Monday for like an extra 20% off, and I'm just like kind of salty because I missed it and I already ordered my items. So just a tip, I guess, is wait till Cyber Monday because there'll probably be even better deals. Here's the first top. It's this white ribbed material and it's so cute. Absolutely love the neckline, and then it has these like elastic things that stick to your shoulders so it doesn't fall down. I got this in a small. It's definitely really tight fitting. I'm glad I didn't get an extra small or I would have like suffocated because the sleeves are pretty tight too, and they're really long. I'm not sure why they're so long, but they are. I don't really like that about it. It's still really cute, and the material is really nice as well, and these buttons are literally everything. I love gold, and the gold buttons are just such a cute little touch. Here is the second top. It is like a black ribbed material, and it fits so nice and snug, and it has like this square kind of like strap, so it's not like right here, but it's like right here, which is pretty cool. And I just think it's such a cute little basic to have just to wear out, go to the grocery store, just a really casual vibe. Another package that came last night that I forgot to show was this ring light from Neewer on Amazon. They were having a sale and I just had to pick it up because I feel like it's time to step up my game here on YouTube.